In July 2026, PMI tore up the PMP exam and rebuilt it. New content, new weighting, more agile, more AI, which raises the obvious question. In 2026, with all that change, is the PMP still worth it? I'm going to give you the honest answer, the real numbers, and the exact roadmap to get it. No fluff. No. Quick level set. The PMP, Project Management Professional, is PMI's flagship certification. It's the one recruiters filter for, the one that shows up in senior project manager job ads, and it's recognized in over 200 countries. It is not an entry-level badge, and that matters, as you'll see. Let's talk money, right? Because it's more than just the exam. The exam itself is $405 if you're a PMI member, $555 if you're not. Membership is around $160 a year. And here's the trick. Joining, then paying the member rate. Costs about the same upfront, but it halves your renewal later. Fail it? A retake is $275 for members, $375 if not. And you get up to 3 attempts in a 1-year window. Now the gate. And this is where a lot of people fall down. To even sit the exam, you need real project experience, and how much depends on your education. A 4-year degree, 36 months leading projects, high school diploma or associate degree, 60 months. There's a 48-month tier for associate level qualifications, and just 24 months if your degree is from a PMI accredited program. Every route also needs 35 hours of formal project management training, unless you already hold an active CAPM, which waives it. The exam itself, 180 questions, a bit under 4 hours, 2 short breaks. What changed in July is the weighting. People and process still lead, but business environment tripled from 8% to 26%. Strategy, value, compliance, and now sustainability and AI. And it leans agile and hybrid now, not pure waterfall. There's a lot more in the detail. That's a whole video of its own coming next. But the headline is simple. This is a modern exam. So how do you actually get it? 7 steps. 1, check your eligibility, confirm your degree tier and your months of experience. 2, get your 35 hours. A good prep course covers this and gets you exam ready. 3, submit the application on pmi.org, documenting your experience and training. 4, clear the audit. A share of applications get picked. If you're one, you've got 90 days to send proof and a manager sign-off. 5, pay and schedule. Book Pearson VUE at a test center or online inside your 1-year window. 6, study and pass. Most working professionals put in 60 to 120 hours over 8 to 12 weeks. And 7, maintain it. 60 PDUs every 3 years plus a renewal fee keeps it live. Heaps. Now, the part you're really here for, does it pay? PMI's own 2025 salary survey. In the US, certified PMP holders report a median of $135,000 versus $109,000 for the non-certified. That's about a 24% gap. Stay certified 10 years or more, and the median climbs to $173,000. Globally, PMPs report around 17% higher pay across 21 countries. One honest caveat, that's correlation. Certified PMs also tend to have more experience, but the pattern's consistent and it's real. So, worth it? Here's my straight answer. It's worth it if senior PM roles are your target and the letters are a hiring filter, if you want a globally portable credential, and if you're already past the experience gate. The new Agile and Hybrid exam also kills the old PMP's 2 waterfall complaint. It's probably not worth it, yet if you're early career with under 3 years of real project experience, go get the CAPM first. Or if you're in an agile native startup world where delivery and Scrum credentials carry more weight, the certification doesn't replace the experience, it amplifies it. Now, this video isn't about AI, but here's the thing, PMP or not, you're still going to be running real projects. And the biggest lever I found is putting AI on the busy work. The plans, the status reports, the risk registers. So I've packed the exact prompts I use into a free pack. Grab it over at pmgts.uk. Subscribe for the honest take on PM and leadership. And tell me in the comments, are you going for the PMP in 2026 or sitting this one out?